starting with the inutak. Here's the list of the ingredients. You may pause this video so you can list down all the things needed for this topping. Let's start! So in a rice cooker, you have to scoop up 2.5 cups of fresh coconut milk, or also known as kakang gata. And then add 2.5 cups of water. Then add into your mixture a 1 pack of Miguelitos Inutak premix. And then grab your wire whisk to make sure that the powder is properly mixed with the coconut milk and the water. So once the powder is completely dissolved, you may now use a spatula in mixing our inutak. Just keep on mixing until the mixture thickens. It may take 3 to 5 minutes to reach the consistency. Once you've reached the thick consistency, get your llanera and put the inutak mix inside. Make sure to flatten the top and then set it aside because we will be doing the top part of the inutak. So grab 2 cups of coconut milk and cook it in a rice cooker, then wait for it to simmer. Once it's done, get the llanera of your inutak and then put on the coconut milk on top and spread it evenly. Then set your oven in 175 degrees Celsius and then put your inutak inside. And then wait until the top part of the inutak turns brown or charred.